Alrighty, well, it looks like it is 7 o'clock, so let's get started with our 2017 Elite Extra Edition Baseball Random Player One Hobby Box Break number 3. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. I've got Wayne in the top spot and Ryan in the bottom spot. So we will cut and paste that against our alphabetical player list. Cut and paste it over the right and sort it by everybody's names and eBay IDs. This is kind of a mixed break. It had initially been listed for quite some time in our eBay store. And then we put it on our website. Hey, Alan, how are you doing this evening? Good to see you. I think they're $14.99 on the website, if I'm not mistaken. Do we have 5 left? I thought we were down to 4. Might be 5, though. Not sure. Hey, Dusty, how are you doing this evening? That's right, it's break night. All righty. Now that we have been through our list, let's open up our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. So this is the pretty standard Elite Extra Edition hobby configuration. 5 packs, 5 cards in each pack. Eight autographs, 2 memorabilia cards. I think in the 07 version, though, there was a stipulation that one of the autographs was a silhouette jersey auto, which is pretty darn cool. So our first card is a Tomas Nido base, serial numbered 556 out of 999. And then next, we have a Orange Aspirations Greg Deichmann, and that is serial numbered 95 of 100. Oh, and then next, looks like we've got a autograph printing plate. How about that? Nice way to start the box, and that is of Diego Castillo. Nice 1 of 1 there. How about that? How about that? Very nice. And then next, looks like we've got a dual relic card of Luis Robert and Michael Kopech, Future Threads, and that's serial numbered 18 of 25. I'll have to do a random for that at the end of the break. And then our last card in our first pack is Nelson Beltran. That's a base card. It's serial numbered out of 999. Well, fantastic, Alan. Thank you for doing that. I appreciate it. Appreciate you closing us out on that one. Should be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to seeing this is the first time I've opened the 22 Bowman Megas. Should be nice. So our first card out of pack 2 is Will Gaddis. Again, serial numbered out of 999. And next we have a Teal Aspirations Mike Ballman. And that's serial numbered at 22 of 25. And then next, oh, how about that? Little Dalton Varsho on card autograph. Very nice. And then next, looks like another dual memorabilia card of Dylan Peters and Arlen Garcia. And that's serial number 31 of 149. Looks like we're going to have a couple randoms to do at the end of the break. And then our last card in the pack is Johan Acevedo. Or Ovidio, sorry about that. Again, that's a base card, serial number to 999. All right, on to pack number 3. First card is Stuart Fairchild, base card. And then next we have a Purple Aspirations of Aniri Tavares, and that is serial numbered 194 out of 200. Next auto is pretty darn nice. Little Marco Luciano Aspirations autograph, and that is serial numbered 34 of 100. 34 of 100. And then next, we also have a Purple Aspirations autograph of Trenton Kemp. And that's serial number 19 out of 100. And then our last card In the pack is Abraham Gutierrez, base card. All right, on to pack number 4. And our first card is Brendan Lund, base card, serial number to 999. And then next, we have a red aspiration Henry Morales, serial numbered 64 of 150. And then next, we have an autograph of Daniel Tillo. And then next, we have our silhouette jersey autograph of AJ Minter, and that's serial numbered 57 out of 99. And then our last card in the pack is O'Neal Cruz, base card. All right, last pack. First card is Austin Beck. And then next we have a die-cut status parallel of Yisan Lemos. Unfortunately, got a little bit of a corner ding right there in the top right. And then next we have the dreaded and feared counter detection card. And then after that, we have a status die-cut autograph of Evan Steele, and that's serial numbered 33 of 75. And that is on card. And then next, a Blue Aspirations autograph of Tanner Houck, sporting the Mizzou colors there. And that is serial number 25 of 50. And that is an on-card signature. Very nice. And then our last card in the box is a base card of Jefferson Geraldo. Base card serial number to 999. All righty. Before we go through our list, looks like we've got a couple cards. I'm going to look at the list real quick and make sure that both of these player spots on each one are not owned by the same person. Nope. Nope. All right. Give me just a second to set up our first random, and we'll do that real quick and then do the second one and then go through our list to see who gets what. Alrighty, so I've got our first random set up. Got each player listed twice. I'm going to hit the randomizer 5 times. Whichever player's on the top after that 5th randomization, that will be the spot that the card goes to. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and number 5. And that goes to the Dylan Peters spot. So I will go ahead and set up the next one. Okay. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and number 5. And that goes to the Luis Robert spot. Okay, so now that we have settled that, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. We'll do those first. So the Luis Robert Michael Kopech Future Threads goes to the Luis Robert spot, and that goes to Ryan. Congrats on that, Ryan. And then next we have the Dylan Peters and Harlan Garcia Future Threads, and that goes to the Dylan Peters spot. And that goes to CPazzy57. Congrats on that. So then next we'll go through our base cards. Our first one is Jefferson Geraldo. And that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that, Anthony. And then next is Austin Beck. And that goes to CPaz34. Congrats on that. And then next is O'Neill Cruz. And that goes to Hector. Congrats on that, Hector. And then next is Brennan Lund. And that goes to Wayne. Congrats on that, Wayne. And then next is Abram Gutierrez. And that goes to Artie. Congrats on that, Artie. And then next is Stuart Fairchild. And that goes to Sist0. Congrats on that. And then next is Johan Oviedo. And that goes to Steve. Beer is good 20038. Congrats on that. And then next is Will Gaddis. And that goes to Hector. Doubling up, congrats on that. And then next is Nelson Beltran. And that goes to PatCon18. Congrats on that. And then next, our last base card is Tomas Nido. And that goes to CPazzy57, doubling up. Congrats on that. So then next, we'll go through our parallels. Our first one is our die cut status parallel, serial number to 99, Yeson Lemos. And that goes to CPazzy57 with the triple. Congrats on that. And then next is our aspirations out of 150, Henry Morales. Also going to CPazzy57 with the quad. Congrats on that. And then next is the purple aspirations out of 200 of Anui Tavares. And that goes to West Fargo Cards and Collectibles. Congrats on that. And then next is our teal aspirations, Mike Bauman out of 25. And that goes to CPaz34. Congrats on that. And then our last base set parallels are Greg Deichmann Orange Aspirations out of 100. And that goes to CPEZI 57. Very nice. So then next we'll go through our autographs. Our first one is our Blue Aspirations Tanner Houck. And that goes to CPEZI 57. Congrats on that. And then next is our die cut status Evan Steele autograph, serial number to 75. And that goes to Hector. Congrats on that, Hector. And then next is our Daniel Tillo autograph. And that goes to David. Congrats on that, David. And then next is our Purple Aspirations Trenton Kemp, serial number to 100. And that goes to CPEZI 57. Building the big stack. Congrats on that. And then next is our Purple Aspirations Marco Luciano auto. And that goes to Siest 0. Congratulations on that. And then next is our Dalton Varsho autograph. And that goes to Wayne. Doubling up, congrats on that. And then next is our AJ Minter Future Thread Silhouette Jersey autograph, serial number to 99. And that goes to Wayne as well with the triple. Congrats on that. And then last but certainly not least is our Diego Castillo 1/1 press plate autograph. And that goes to Joseph. Congrats on that, Joseph. Very nice hit. All right. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2017 Elite Extra Edition Baseball Random Player One Hobby Box Break number 3. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in a few minutes with our 21 and 22 Bowman Baseball Random Team 4 Mega Box Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody.